Hello, today we will guide you through how to open Google Drive Link. If someone has shared a Google Drive link with you and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. This process is very simple, and in just a moment, you'll know exactly how to open the link and understand what kind of access you have. To begin, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally prefer. Once your browser is open, make sure you're ready to enter the shared link into the address bar at the top of the screen. Next, copy the Google Drive link that was shared with you, and then paste it directly into your browser's address bar. After pasting the link, press Enter or tap Go to open it. This will take you directly to the Google Drive page connected to that shared file or folder. At this point, Google Drive may ask you to sign into your Google account. If you are not already logged in, simply follow the sign-in process and enter your account details on Google's secure login page. If you're already signed in, the link should open right away without any extra steps. This is normal, and it depends on whether your browser already has an active Google session. Once the Google Drive link opens, you'll be able to view the file or folder that was shared with you. What you can do next depends on the permissions set by the person who shared it. If they gave you full access, you may be able to edit the file, make changes, or interact with it more freely. If your access is limited to viewing only, you'll still be able to open and read the content, but you won't be able to make edits. This is an important detail to keep in mind because sometimes people expect to edit a document right away. But Google Drive permissions control what actions are allowed. So if you can only view the file, that usually means the shared access was set to view only. And that's all there is to it. Open your browser, paste the shared Google Drive link, sign in if needed, and then review the file or folder based on the access you've been given. Following these steps will help you quickly and smoothly open any Google Drive link that has been shared with you.